For proper functioning, a sales team will require access to the following tools. ABM tools, which are the usual set of account-based marketing tools. Call recording and transcripts to record the call and automatically filter out the useful information. Email tracking and automation in order to track outbound emails and automate the repetitive process. Segmentation in order to create a list of contacts and focus on group of these. Quotes with e-sign to sign branded quotations to sign deals electronically. Meeting scheduler in order to quickly schedule meeting with the prospects and save time. A sales team will also need deal pipelines to track and predict revenue. They would also need documents and videos to store sales collateral documents and record and share quick videos. A sales team would also need payments in order to collect payments securely and also integrate rest of the tools with the same. They would need predictive lead scoring to automatically score and rank leads so that the team is always working on hot leads on priority. They would need a CRM in order to store prospect information and their activities. A sales team would need to automate repetitive tasks and make the whole process fail-proof and save time on their outreach process. They would also need analytics and reporting to track and analyze the sales team performance and have custom reports available. Now, what if I tell you that you don't have to worry about paying for all of these tools separately and you can get all of these tools bundled together in one package wherein you can easily get comprehensive reports for your sales team? Introducing HubSpot's Sales Hub. With the Sales Hub license, you get access to all of the tools your sales team needs under a single umbrella, which makes the functioning of the sales team friction-free, and such a sales team communicates better with the marketing team. With built-in automation enabled via sequences, you can automate all repetitive tasks and maximize your ROI. HubSpot platform is designed to be scalable, and it ensures that your complete sales team is on the same page. And then you might ask, how much does it cost? For a price of $450 per month, 5 of your sales team members will get access to professional license, and you also have an option to upgrade to enterprise license and even get more seats. To get a complete understanding of these tools and pricing, let's connect over a quick consultation call, which is 100% free. Talk to you soon.